Good morning, students. As we had completed the four stanzas of the poem, today we are continuing with the fifth one. Just to have a revision of it, this was the poem. In the poem, the poet, she is trying to repent herself that why didn't she listen to her mother for brushing her teeth, to take care of her teeth. She was eating sweets and all, which she got cavity. Now she is sitting on the chair of a dentist and she's just is in a very sad mood. Oh, I showed them the toothpaste all right. I flashed it about late at night, but up and down brushing and poking and fussing didn't seem worth the time I could bite. Now, here she says that she wasn't completely neglectful and she did use toothpaste to brush her teeth every night. But she did not make the extra efforts of properly cleaning out the spaces between her teeth. She hardly made use of varying methods of brushing or flossing. Just she straight away she used to brush that she has to brush her teeth, but not in a proper way. Like we should brush our teeth up and down, then cross the teeth, and 32 times on each side, like that. She admits that at that time it didn't seem worth the time and energy because, according to her, as long as she could bite, her teeth were deemed fine. So she didn't had in her mind that she should brush her teeth properly. She felt that no, just to brush it and gargle it out and go back. But then she didn't knew that it is worth brushing them properly. She didn't give them proper time. She only felt that still I'm biting and all, everything is fine, there is no pain. So let it be. If I had known I was paving the way to cavities, caps, and decay, the murder of fillings, injections, and drillings, I have thrown all my sherbet away. Now, again, over here, she is regretful. If she had known that she was paving the way, means she was drawing the way, she was giving way for the cavities to come in her teeth. Then even false caps of teeth, like when you go to the doctor, if you have a cavity, he drills out, he removes the cavity, he does the filling in it, and he puts a cap on it. So she's saying all those artificial fillings she had to do. She didn't knew that if she would have taken care, then these problems she would have not faced. Then even that various drilling machines, if you ever have gone to a dentist, you will see there is a drilling machine which the doctor he puts into a tooth and he removes out the cavity and he replaces the decayed parts where the tooth has been spoiled up, it has been become black over there. He removes that out and he repairs it. So if she would have knew all this thing would have happened, so she would have never eaten sweets. She would have thrown them away. So I lie in the old dentist's chair and I gaze up his nose in despair. And his drill, it do whine in these molars of mine. Two amalgam, he'll say, for in there. Now, over here again, she's saying that if she would have not if she would have known that she's going to sit on this dentist chair where she's remembering all the wrong things she had done to her tooth in her childhood. So she is now gazing up to the dentist's nose because when we lie down, the dentist is on top of us. He's peeping into her teeth. And she can hear those drilling instruments which he has in his hand. And he is removing out those cavities in her molars. You know, there are four types of tooth: molars, premolars, canines. So she's saying that he is filling the cavities in her molars. And the dentist is confirming that she needs two amalgam means fillings. He is going to fill two fillings in her tooth. How I laughed at my mother's false teeth as they foamed in the water beneath. But now comes the reckoning. It's me they are beckoning. Oh, I wished I looked after my teeth. Now again, she is awaiting. She's sitting on the chair of the dentist and awaiting that now he is going to remove her teeth and all out. And she is very shameful over here that how she used to laugh at her mother's false tooth. Yeah, how she's putting them in the water. You maybe have seen your grandmothers, if they have false teeth, they take it out and they put it in the water in the night. So, all those false dentures. But then she didn't knew that all things which she was laughing on her mother, it's going to happen to her. So now her youthful mistakes she has done, it turns to her now. So awaiting drills like awaiting judgments. So now it's happening to her the same note as she was laughing now at her mother's tooth. She's feeling that it's happening to her. So over here the poem ends on the same note it began, that she wished she had looked after her teeth. Students, I'll give you the question answers of the extracts. Do it in your notebook. I hope so you have done the first poem extracts also. Thank you. Have a nice day.